You can actually just throw out questions like, okay, let's discuss COVID, pros and cons about COVID, or how their lives have changed after COVID. What were the differences before and after? Just to get them to start. Like for example, question 2, environmental issues. So you can just throw out questions like, how do you think COVID has helped with environmental issues? And then like, helped? I thought COVID is not good, right? So that's when you start, talking to them about this. You basically get them to start thinking. And then emergency, of course, what counts as emergency. So you basically break down each question. And then, of course, we have these additional questions. This is for the students to do on their Of course, if you really have no time, then just show them how to highlight. Okay, then go home and read it. Or just what I plan to do is, what I usually do is sometimes I give them highlighted information and I tell them, I want to hear this in your answer. I want to see it in your response. So if they don't, then they will have to go and video record that question additionally for me. Yeah. Okay. Following that, I would like to do question 3. Why? Because week 31 did not have, I think week 31 everything was argumentative. So this is the one where students can showcase their appeal, right? And for students who have attended 31, and if they're only attending 31 and 32, then this is the only chance for them to do appeal. So discuss the points as a class. So the discussion session should get you the points that students require for this question. Ask appropriate questions if you don't get the answers 31. And students do abbreviated writing in pairs. Why? Because this is just a personal observation. Like in my class, sometimes they think better when they're in pairs. If you just get them to do it on their own, it's just some scribbles on their paper, which I don't understand. And it's just the same points over again, right? So at least when they get to discuss, they bounce off each other's ideas. Response versus spoken interaction. Reason being, right, a lot of students think it's the same, but it's not. I did this with my class. I got them to write the abbreviations, and then using just the abbreviation, I got them to present the ideas to see if whatever they've abbreviated helped them with their full written response. No, it was bad. Okay, so this kind of activities will help. So this is something you can even try with your class. So I made them do it until they got the full written response, because I told them if you're not getting a response from the abbreviations you're writing, it means you don't understand your own abbreviation, so it's not enough. So students need to know, because during exam they can panic, anxiety, so that scribble's not going to help them, right? So that's an activity that you can choose to do with your class.